Hello students, in this question we have to solve for x and we can see the only difficulty in question is this modulus, okay, and there is single modulus, okay. So let's solve this problem. So I am going to solve this problem and I am going to take case 1, okay, when the term inside this modulus x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, this will become 1 upon x minus 3 is less than equals to 1 upon 2, and we will put 1 upon 2 in LHS side, and when we will take LCM, this will become 2 times of x minus 3, okay, and this will become 2 minus x minus 3. I am writing it directly because these are the easy calculation. If you are preparing for IIT, then you should must know this calculation. Okay, so this will become 2 minus x plus 3 upon 2 times of x minus 3, and this is less than equals to 0 and this is less than equals to 0, and next it will become minus x plus 5 upon 2 times of x minus 3, okay, less than equals to 0. So now I am going to draw number line for this minus infinity to infinity. Numerator will become 0 at 5 and denominator will become 0 at 3 and 5, okay. So if you take any number greater than 5, okay, numerator will be negative and denominator will be positive. So negative upon positive is negative. So any number greater than 5, if you will take, then this whole inequality will become true because LHS will become negative and negative is less than equals to 0. This is true. So this is true. And in between 3 and 5, if you take any number between 3 and 5, denominator will be positive and numerator will also be positive. So positive upon positive is positive and positive is less than equals to 0. This is false. So any number between 3 to 5 will not satisfy this inequality. Now I am going to take our third reason, less than 3. And if we take any number less than 3, denominator is going to be negative. Okay, like 2 minus 3, negative, okay, and numerator is going to be positive. So positive upon negative is negative and negative is less than equals to 0. So this reason is also true. Now you can see that case is x is greater than 0. It means that this equation is true when x is greater than 0. So the answer should also be greater than 0. So answer is, let's take intersection of both. First of all, I am writing minus infinity to infinity and case is greater than 0. Okay, so you can take answer only in this region. So let's see, there is 3 and here it is 5 and true is for this and true is for this. Okay, one thing I left about the boundary 3 and 5, whether 3 and 5 are included or not. Here you can see that in this inequality, if we take 3, then denominator will become 0. So we can't include 3. Okay, now if we take 5, then numerator will become 0. Minus 5 plus 5 will become 0 and denominator will become 5 minus 3, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So 0 upon 4 is 0 and 0 less than equals to 0 is true statement. So I am going to include 5. Okay, 5 is included. So 5 is included and 3 is not included, and intersection of both is between 0 to 3 and 5 to infinity. Okay, what about 0? Whether I can take 0 or not. So here you can see that x is greater than 0. Okay, so 0 is not included in this case. So answer in this case will be 0 to 3 union 5 to infinity. Okay, this is our first answer in case 1. Now I am going to solve for case 2, and case 2 is when x is less than equals to 0. See, here 0 is not included. So I am including 0 over here. You can also include 0 over here and you can't include 0 in case 2. So this 0 is boundary. You can include in case 1 and exclude in second and opposite. Okay, when x is less than equals to 0, then mod will become negative. So it will become 1 upon minus x minus 3, and we will put 1 upon 2 in LHS, so it will become minus 1 upon 2, okay, less than equals to 0. See, I am going to take common this negative sign and put it in numerator. So minus 1 upon x plus 3 minus, okay, plus minus 1 upon 2 is less than equals to 0. Now I am going to multiply negative both sides. Okay. If we multiply negative in any inequality, then inequality, sign of inequality gets changes. So it will become 1 upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon 2 is greater than equals to 0. Now we can easily take LCM. 2 times of x plus 3 and 2 will be both multiply with this one, and x plus 3 will multiply with this one, then this will become x plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. It is greater than equals to 0. Now I am going to draw number line for this case, and this is minus infinity to infinity. Okay, so I am going to directly take our cases. So first, the case is less than equals to 0. So I am directly drawing this number line. Okay, I am skipping this number line. Okay. So this is 0, and we have to take answer for x less than and equals to 0. Here 0 is included. Okay, na? Okay. From numerator we'll get minus 5, and from denominator we'll get minus 3. So this is minus 5 and this is minus 3. So there are three reasons. See the blue sign. First, second, and third. Don't see red one. Red one is for case. That will include in last. After solving this blue area. Okay, if we take any number greater than minus 3, any number greater than minus 3, like 0. Okay, 0 is greater than minus 3. If we put over here 0 plus 5 positive and 0 plus 3 positive, positive into a positive number, that is 2, is positive, and positive upon positive is positive, and positive greater than equals to 0 is true. So this reason is true. Okay, and automatically this reason will become false if you take any number that will not satisfy this sign, this whole term will become negative. And if we take any number less than 5, then this will become positive. You can say. Now I am going to check the boundary point, that is minus 5. If we take minus 5 in numerator, minus 5 plus 5 will become 0, and 0 upon this is not 0. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, and minus 2 into 2, 4. So 0 upon minus 4 is 0. So we can include minus 5 as 0 is greater than equals to 0. This statement is true. So we can include this minus 5. Now at minus 3, denominator will become 0, so we can't take. Now I am going to take answer line in this red region. Okay, answer line in this red, and that is this part, because here the statement is true, and this part. So here answer is minus infinity to minus 5, at minus 5 close, and union minus 3 to 0, minus 3 to 0. And what bracket we will put as 0? Let's take it out. And simply put 0 in this over here. So 0 plus 5 is positive, 0 plus 3 is positive, and 3 into 2 is positive. Positive upon positive is positive, and positive greater than equals to 0 is positive. So 0 is included over here. So our final answer is this one and this one with union sign. So first of all, you write minus infinity to minus 5, union minus 3 to 0, minus 3 to 0, union 0 to 3, union, and next is 5 to infinity, 5 to infinity, and 5 is closed and infinity is open. So this is our final answer for this equation. Thank you, students.